Ready to be mom of the year? This'll do it. This is the Garvee portable ping pong table I was sent to review and my whole family is loving it. It comes fully assembled. You just unbox it, unfold it, pull out the legs, screw in the net, and within a couple of minutes, you're ready to play. Since we don't have any open spaces inside our home, we decided to use it in the driveway so we could enjoy outside time together. We got the net. It's kind of a plastic material and fabric up here, like a nylon maybe, with 2 metal pieces that are gonna go through the ends into the table. They sell a couple of different sizes. This one is 6 feet by 3 feet and it's rather heavy but folds compactly and locks securely. So it's easy to store in your garage, under a bed, maybe even in a closet. And it has a handle so it's easy enough for an adult to lug around. It's even got adjustable feet so you can make sure it's stable no matter if you have uneven flooring. It does come with 3 balls and 2 rackets which are dual-sided. You've got kind of a bumpy red side and a smooth black side, and then a wooden handle. We love this ping pong table that comes with 2 paddles and 3 balls. It is amazing. We love it and know you will too.
Oh, back on the table.